I'm back. In last video we have made a window program with Dragon, so let's add some component in our window program. It was a blank screen, a blank window, so let's create a text, show some hello world text on window. Text, new text, okay, hello world. It is the same thing as we have to create the object of our text. New text is the predefined method we can use for defining our text, and we can make object. We can use anything as name of the object, and here a parameter is required. I have given it hello world. If you not give some value, you can define it later also. You can leave it blank with double quotes only. So one more thing, that we have defined the size of this text. If we have to make it appear on screen, visible on screen. Text dot set size. First one is width and another is height, same as we have used in for changing our window size. First is width, second is height. Okay, so width will be 100 and height is 30. Okay, so now we have made this. To visible this thing, this text on screen, we have to add it on this window object, because it will not appear. Only our window will appear. If we want to show it on screen, on the window screen, we have to add this in this window. So we have to use this win dot add and the component object. So this will add this object in our window, current window. So let's run the program. As you can see, still nothing is on screen. Okay, for solving this issue, it happened because the text is reserving the complete area of the window, and it is not appearing due to its size. So to fix this issue, we have to use set a layout. For that, we have a property named SetLayout in our window. SetLayout. Okay, here are different layouts in our window, like box layout, border layout, page access layout, flow layout, grid layout, and NoLayout. So we will study the other layouts in next videos. So let's start with the NoLayout. So NoLayouts work as a free flow, which means we can set our objects as anywhere we want, according to the locations. NoLayout. Okay, remember a thing, that always use the set visible at the last of the program, so it will do the rendering faster. Okay, here our hello world. Make it in center using set location. Okay, location we use 150 by 150. 150 from the left side and 150 from the top. Okay, it's in center now, so it's pretty small. Let's see how we can make it large. We can change the font of our components using there is a property named set font. So in this property we need three parameters are required. So the first one is the name of the font we have to use, and the second one is the type. In type we want which type of font we are using. Meanwhile, bold, italic, plain. So and third one is the size of the font. So I'm gonna use Arial, comma, um, bold. Okay, let's make it plain, comma 20. Okay, let's test it. Okay, it's appearing now, but the width is too small, that's why it's not appearing well. Okay, we can increase the width. Let's make it 150 and test it again. Okay, it's clearly visible now. So as you can see, we have added one component of text, and it's changed its access areas and make it in center, and then change its font size. Also the font, it's now in the center and the bigger. Okay, one more thing, that we can also change the background of our window. Let's make it something colorful. There's a property named set b color. Always remember that Dragon is case sensitive, so you have to remember that the things that I have typed here, set b color is in this B and C is capital and everything is small. So in B color we have to provide three parameters as per the RGB. The first one is for red, and second is green, and third one is blue. So here we use the RGB values. So I will type here random numbers 1 2 4 2 4 5 and 1 2 6. Let's see which color we will get here. Let's run the program. Okay, it's light green. It's pretty good, as you can see. So you can use any RGB combination in this. So as we have seen here, you can also change the foreground, the color of our font, of our text. There's a property named F color, which means the foreground color. F color, it also requires the same thing, 3 parameters of RGB values. So again I am using here random values 154. Let's see what we will get here. 130. Okay, it's now pinkish, light pink. Let's make it 0. Okay, make it the last limit 255, 255 and 255 to make it visible. Okay, it's white now. So here are the properties of text you can use to change the size, the font color, the location, the font, and also the window background color, and add the component, any component you will make in our window to make it visible. And you can use any name of your object, like I use WinText, doesn't matter. It's not necessary to use the same thing. And as I mentioned that layout, there are different layouts in drag and we will study later. That we currently using NoLayout. NoLayout is a free flow. We can drag our components anywhere on the window screen with a free flow layout. It's a free flow, so it will appear as per our locations of the objects and sizes. So let's see other things in next video.